What's up, guys? My name is Josh Yergi. Me and my team have built my company SmartRoof from zero to over $500 million in revenue over the last decade. And today I want to share with you the 5 untold truths of being in sales. I think a lot of times we see the end result of being great at sales looks like, and it looks fun. But what I want to share with you is, what does that first year look like? What does it look like in your first full year in sales? And how do you overcome the obstacles that are going to be presented to you? So the first thing you have to understand is that you're going to suck, all right? Especially if you've never been in sales before. And guess what? It is okay. We've all been there. I've been there. I was not good at sales when I first started, but it's like anything. You know, the first time you pick up a football and throw it, you're probably going to suck. But the 10,000th time that you've thrown a football, probably going to be pretty good. Same thing with basketball, same with all sports, all skill sets. In the beginning, you're going to suck. All right. The second thing is you're going to be nervous because you suck. All right. So those first people you're going to be pitching, you're going to be like, am I going to say this script right? Are they going to buy from me? I've got these butterflies in my stomach. I don't know. What do I do? Like, I forgot what to say. It's okay. We've all been there. All right. Now here's what you need to do to overcome that lack of skill and that nervousness. All right. So confidence comes from repetition. All right. And it really comes from your ability to believe in yourself that regardless of the situation you're going to get put in, your training has prepared you for that situation to handle it with professionalism and put yourself in the best chance to come out a winner. All right, so you see the best athletes in the world practice relentlessly. You see the best business people in the world work more than anybody else. I saw an interview recently with Elon Musk that said that, yeah, right now I have to work 120 hours a week and I don't have another choice. 7 days a week, 120 hours. So if he's willing to say that, what is required of you to be great at sales? So the first thing is you need to be obsessed with training, and that includes getting feedback. You suck, it's okay, everybody knows it. You should know it, and you should have the humility to ask for feedback and ask for help. When someone gives you feedback on how your pitch was or how you're performing, especially in a training environment, that is gold, especially if it's coming from the right person. So take it seriously, take notes, and learn from it. Okay, so now you're obsessed with training. Your whole goal here to get rid of the nervousness and help start building your skill set is you need to shrink the learning curve. So if it takes me, let's say 100 pitches to gain confidence that I can close, my challenge is how fast can I get those 100 pitches in? How quickly can I talk to 100 people? And this is where people start making a ton of money in sales really fast, or they really, really struggle. It comes down to number of repetitions. So if I can talk to 100 people and get 100 people to tell me no in 30 days, and somebody else takes 6 months to get 100 people to tell them no, who's gonna start making money first, right? Me, the person that is willing to get told no more than anybody else. So you have to shorten the learning, shrink the learning curve by going out and failing fast. Fail faster than anyone else to shrink the learning curve. The next thing you need to do is you really need to buy into the company and the product. In every sales team, there's a group of people that is like, oh, you're drinking the Kool-Aid, man? Or they call it like brown nosing or whatever words they want to use. Those people always, without exception, have the worst sales numbers in the team because they don't believe in the product and the company. Okay, so one, you need to find a company with a product that you believe in and a business that you believe in, values that you believe in. But two, you have to be bought all the way into those things, all right? Don't let yourself be influenced by the group of people that, you know, are saying, oh, you shouldn't drink the Kool-Aid, man, it's not cool. You're not here to impress anyone. You are here to make money, and you cannot sell if you don't believe in the company and the product. Okay, so when you recognize those types of people, avoid them at all costs. All right, they're gonna poison your mindset. Next thing is spend time with the positive reps on your team. So figure out who are the most positive people that believe in the company and the product and spend time around them. It's going to feed your beliefs and you become that much more convicted in what you're selling, and that will come through when you're talking to the customer. All right, next is read books on sales. So you may not be able to be in front of prospects all the time and you're looking for ways to increase your skill set. There's a book called Sell or Be Sold. I can't remember who wrote it. That's very good. I would recommend for new salespeople. All right, reading will help reinforce your positive mindset. And then finally, when you first start, after the initial training period, your goal in most sales jobs, all right, so cars, home improvement, anything with a short sales cycle, your goal should be to close your first deal in the first week. And what I want you to do is to tell your boss after the initial training period, however long that is, hey boss, my goal is to close my first deal this week. Can you help me do that? Ask for help. They will either A, help you themselves, or B, have someone else help you do that. And they will love you for saying that, all right? It's also gonna set you up for a lot of momentum building. It's like, oh, I've seen somebody else do it. I've done it myself. I got someone help me. Like, I can do this on my own. It's gonna reinforce your belief system, and it's gonna set you up for a great career. So in summary, be obsessed with training, buy into the company and the product, spend time with the positive reps on your team, read books on sales, and tell your boss you wanna close your first deal the first week out of training. Do those things, and you're gonna be setting yourself up for a career of high performance sales results that'll earn you multiple six figures. And remember, wherever you're at in your journey, I've been there. Stay dangerous, stay focused, and let's get to work.